At Phenix, one of our core values is to be humble, be curious, and be courageous.
What being humble means is that you're open to opportunity, that you recognize you don't know it all. We want to ensure that everyone that's within the organization recognizes that we have a long way to go in our personal growth and development, and to be humble enough to recognize that and to move forward and change it. To be curious is probably the best part.
Because if you're not curious, you're never going to look at other opportunities. You're never going to open your eyes and see it from someone else's perspective, or look to see maybe how they experience life. You've always got to be looking for answers you don't know, or you've always got to be looking for the answers to questions that aren't being asked.
And probably the most important trait is you have to be courageous.
Personally, that's probably one of the things I've even struggled with the most, but has brought me the most growth.
You have your ups and downs, but you learn to prevail. You learn to overcome a lot of obstacles that we've seen over the years. And what makes us different is that we never give up.
You may have to make decisions that you're a little scared of. Maybe they're not popular, but you have to take those steps to get to the next level. And that is something that courage will help you get to.